Michael here, just going to show you how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride. Um, sometimes different songs don't really have a right way to play them. This one, for example, doesn't have um, like ukulele strumming, really. So we're going to kind of make up our own strumming, which I have it here. I'm going to give you this doc to learn it. So um, there's three chords in this song, and they're going to be F, B flat, and then C. And if you don't know those chords, like look them up. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You want to just kind of memorize those before starting. Okay. And for the strumming, it's going to be, this is a popular strumming, so we'll just use this one. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Very fluid. And you got a bit of the wrist action. Okay, make sure you have that wrist action. We're not like hammering down with our elbow, right? All right, so the beginning of the song here. And by the way, if you play, there's some videos like where you play like a full note higher. It's not in the right key because it's easier. This is also fairly simple. It's just the B flat is a little tougher to play, but you can play along to the actual song with this tutorial. Here we go. Okay, no playing here. F to B flat. Okay, so right there, this is just important to get to the when we chord change or transition. Single strums in the beginning, and I've put that note right there for you. And the 2x means we're just playing it twice before we get into what I'm calling the verse, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And yeah, don't get confused with the words for this song because I think that's one of the things I was confused with. But I've created a simple version that shows where it repeats and it's easy to follow along. Let's get into the verse now. And only difference is same timing, same time when we change chords. It's just the strumming. Okay, let's do it. B flat, F. I'm gonna do that one more time so we can understand. 2, 3, F. F, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, B flat. F, 2, 3. Next part is pre-chorus, I'm calling it. And with this, like you're actually just flipping what you just did in the verse. So instead of F, it's B flat. Instead of B flat, it's F. And then back to F, B flat, F. Okay. Let's go back a little, play that together. B flat, F, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, C, B flat, F. Okay, so at the end of the pre-chorus there, all we're doing, you see C, B flat, F here. That is just for full strum, like full bar. 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. And then a little instrumental, which is what you just did in the verse. F, B flat, F. And then into what I call the refrain. So the next part is the refrain. I'm just calling it a refrain. And you'll notice we have F, B flat, same thing, back to F. Um, it's slightly different timing. Now let's listen to it. Okay, so the way it is like, let's hear it one more time. Okay, so F, F, B flat, F, F, B flat, F, F, one more time, B flat, F. Okay, so we're only going to do this twice. F, B flat, F. One more, F, B flat, F. Okay, again, don't get confused with the words. That's why I put the chords up there, because that's all we need to know. And then in the chorus here, we're going to play through this. It's just C, B flat, F, and we're same as earlier when we just had one bar, each bar, 4 counts. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. And C stands for no chords. And just put your hand on your ukulele. Bam. And that's it. So let's play along to that. Okay. We're gonna go back a little bit. This is the instrumental, and F, 4, F, B flat, F, 2, 3, B flat, F, C, B flat, F. No chords. Okay, now this part is the verse, which we played earlier. I call it verse. It's the same thing. Okay. Switch into the chorus. We're just, remember, flip B flat to F, F, B flat, F, C, B flat, F. I notice the words, it's time to try. Okay, same thing. Same chords underneath, right? And then we got the little instrumental. Good. F, 3, B flat, F, C, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, no chords, F. Now check it out. For this instrumental, I separated it into 2 parts, but guess what? All I did was I just copy and pasted the verse, right there, verse, pre-chorus, and instrumental. And that's really all it is. I just removed the words. Okay, so just so you understand that. And you just play through. There's more space, but it makes it easier for us to learn it. C, how many counts is this? 4 each. C, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 4. And then a little instrumental. Great. And then you got the verse. Okay, same thing. This is repeats. And then you got the little instrumental again and the refrain, I call it. Just different timing into the chorus. I think that we get what that is. So keep in mind for the instrumental here, 2 times for the instrumental. Thank you for watching this video. That's how you play it. And I listen to the songs that I teach like by ear. I kind of look at other references, but then I make my own version because that's the right version, and I hear it better. So I hope you like this. I appreciate you taking the time and leave a comment what you think. You can find this document in the description, a link to it, and go ahead and make a copy for yourself to hold on to. And there you go. Thank you.